Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Kelleran Beq. Firstly, you're going to want the legs from the 11th Doctor. The hips and the torso come from Mace Windu. I used 2 Mandalorian capes for the cloak. The head I decided to use comes from this Hoth Rebel. And finally, I took the hood from this Obi-Wan Kenobi minifigure. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure, but hopefully this is what it should look like. Overall, I think this minifigure has turned out alright. I kind of had to include a hood piece because I couldn't find a head that wasn't double-sided that would fit the character. If you still found this useful or enjoyed this video, I'd recommend subscribing if you haven't done that already, and maybe leaving a like.